Warning: the following video is performed by a trained professional. It is meant for educational purposes only. Please do not attempt to try anything you see here. Enjoy.
Hello everybody, Dan from Southhawk Computing back again for another repair report. We got this from a customer in Beacon Falls, and basically it's a cracked display. You could kind of see it with the light on it right there, but if you go to turn it on, yeah, so we'll be doing a screen replacement and a tune-up, and if we find anything else that's going on with this guy. So we'll be back. Alright, we're back. So the transplant is complete here. As you can see, the display is working. Everything is looking great. There's no issues. Very nice. And that's pretty much it. If you like what you see here, hit that thumbs up button on the bottom of the YouTube video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Dan from Southhawk Computing, and that's it for now.